Good afternoon, everyone. Today is June 24th. In approximately 12 to 15 weeks, you're going to be racing your pigeons. Now, I don't have any young birds. I'm not going to be racing. But I'm going to be telling you what I would be doing if I had a young bird team. The first thing I would be doing is worming the birds. I would be using, you've seen this before, moxidextrin Quest. Moxidextrin has got this little thing on it, rotates back and forth. I would be putting in about that much into a little bit of water. About this much water. Not much. I would take it off, do this. And then I would shoot it in. Once that's done, you shake it up. You have to mix it real good. Now, I'm not going to spend all day mixing this. But once it's totally dissolved, and you make sure it's dissolved, you add that to a gallon of water. And make sure you mix that in as well. Now, I'm not using the moxidextrin so much to worm them, because I'm going to worm my birds again. But I'm using that to start the process. If they have worms, believe me, that stuff will get rid of it. Hair worms, round worms, they'll be gone. But I really use it for the biting bugs. It's important that you start off with that. You want to eliminate them, as we mentioned in other videos, air sac mites, scaly leg mite, red mites in the loft, pigeon flies. Moxidextrin will take care of all of it. So it's very important to use moxidextrin. I actually shot this video before, but I forgot to mention to add it to a gallon of water, so I'm shooting it again. What I'm leading up to here, you've only got 12 to 15 weeks to get your birds ready. You're going to hit inclement weather. Things are going to come up where you can't train the birds. So we've got them loft flying now, hopefully an hour and a half, 2 hours. If you can do that, you can run your birds out 30, 40 miles without much of a problem. So it's time to start. Start thinking about what you're going to do. You got to start getting your birds ready. And you got to start thinking you're running out of time. I normally start my training on July 4th or 5th, somewhere around there. So it's time now to start getting your birds healthy. And the first thing I'd use is the moxidextrin. Get rid of the worms. They're gone. Start thinking about coxy and things like that. You might want to give them 3-in-1, 4-in-1 after you're done with this, to clean out the coxy, kânaka. I'm going to get into respiratory in another video. So if you haven't subscribed, subscribe. Check the link below. Some of this stuff has been posted in the past so that you know what I'm talking about here. I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to check the link, give it a thumbs up, give it a thumbs down. I'll be coming back with another video shortly.